It's pretty cool that once you learn to complete the square, you can use that to solve any quadratic equation. So you can use the quadratic algorithm, the quadratic formula, sometimes factoring, but you can always use this completing the square to solve the problem. So I'm going to do that here. First, I'm going to move the constant over to the other side. So I've got the x terms on one side, the constant on the other. And then to complete the square, I take the coefficient of x divided by 2 and then square it. So 8 over 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So I need to add that to the left-hand side. But if I add 16 to one side of the equation, I need to add it to the other side of the equation as well so that the solutions don't change. So now on the left side, I've got x plus 4 squared if I factor that out. And then on the right, just add the two numbers together. Now to solve the equation, I can just take the square root of both sides. I've got to include plus or minus on that square root of 18 because both versions will satisfy the equation above it. And then subtract 4 from both sides. 18 is equal to 9 times 2, so I'm going to rewrite that as square root 9 times square root 2 because I know square root 9 is just 3. So to simplify it, it looks like negative 4 plus or minus 3 times root 2.